FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Figma incorporated stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This is an already bullish, beautiful bullish market, and ultimately speaking, I'll just kind of mark out the top here. And, you know, pre-market seems like we're going to be opening, so I don't really think there's... It's a lot higher, so it seems like it's going to be a gap up. But just to be sure, if market opens around my levels, then the only thing that I'll be waiting for is a double break so I can take it further higher. And I don't think it's going to get any simpler than that. And all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll still keep waiting for rules to be met. You know, simple. So let me know what is your opinion on FIG, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.